Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So we did get a green bar yesterday, so we're on the daily, and you can see we've got a green inside bar, and we've had an inside bar already off this level, or roundabout in this level, and that is right here at 34,636 and 34,163. So this area 34,160 does offer some resistance, or should I say support rather, but we are still in a consolidation pattern. And what I mean by that is, look there. So there's two lines I want to draw in, and that's pretty much what we're looking at. So two ways of looking at this. We're either in a range sideways, alternatively we are in a flat bottom triangle, which gives us the breakdown below. So still no real direction at the moment. Oscillators of grouped, well, not quite grouped together, but when they separate this far apart, that is typically when we have a fairly big move, and that move would be down. So trend is still down at the moment, so I would be a little bit hesitant to assume that we have any form of base forming yet. We're going to need to get above 40,000 at this moment. It's 4,100, so we need to get above 41,000 before before I can actually say we're finding a base. If we just drop down to the hour and have a look here, you can see yesterday was a pretty strong day. We did get this little bit of indecision here with all the tails, the upside, tails, the downside, and you can see we've got some kind of structure forming there, followed by there. So yeah, I'm kind of sit on hands at the moment. There is a micro level here on the hour that is the first thing that we need to hold today, and that's pretty much 36,500. So we can hold above 36,500, then maybe we can start thinking about getting some kind of structure forming. But at the moment, this is sideways. There's no reason to be jumping in on this in any direction right now. Break below the lows of this week brings the next two levels into play still. So sort of a break below 34,163 or 160 area brings 34,000, and then ultimately 24,500 into play. So yeah, so at the moment trend is still down. No reason to be jumping in just yet, and you should be looking to go with the trend on the lower time frames. But at the moment, I have to wait and see what transpires here, because we do have a bit of, well, we have price playing around between the two moving averages here. So if it can hold above them, and you have first bit of structure forming, and then obviously this level is the one that we need to pay attention to. Might just drop a little bit below. There's another sort of micro level right on this pin bar here, or should I say tail rather than pin bar. So that's the second level in this, which is 36,074. So staying above 3,600, I think, is the goal for today. If we can keep that going, maybe we're going to start building that base for a longer term entry to the upside. But at the moment, it's sit and wait for me and see what transpires today. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.